guys, as you can see, our pantry is a bit packed today because we're gonna have, or we're calling a snowstorm this coming Thursday, and we just want to make sure that we have some food in our pantry in case the electricity will goes off, and we have something that an instant food that we can eat without using electricity, like our stove. We can't do cooking if the electricity is out, so we're depending to either canned foods, some junk foods, and I have some canning, so I still have cans there. But again, you can't even warm it because no electricity means I can't cook. That's a disadvantages here. If there's no electricity, you can't cook can't even make hot water. So there you go, guys. I just want to share. Get some bread, some cereals. That's my pantry as of now, but in a regular days, this is not packed. I'm trying to limit the junk food because my people like they really do love junk foods, and just to taking care of them by paying attention. Well, I buy the grocery store. I know it's a lot of temptation when you go to the grocery store. You can see a lot of stuff that you're gonna buy it because of really good. Especially if you go to the grocery store and you are hungry. I will say, tip, when you go to grocery store, make sure that your stomach is full so that you're not going to spend a lot of money in the grocery store. That's why I have to make sure that I eat first before going to the grocery store. And I love going to grocery store by myself because I'm able to take my time, aisle to aisle, even though it's kind of time consuming, but I'm sure you will get what you need, and sometimes you also get what you want. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, just sharing, and please let me know what do you think about this video and the content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and share, and don't forget to like my video. Have a great day. Bye.